Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to back up line chat history. First thing you do is open up your line app and then tap on the guide icon top right corner. Then scroll down to this part. We have backup and restore chat history. Tap on it, and then you want to back up your past connection and preserve your memories. Tap on backup now. Then you set up your backup pin that you choose 6 digits to use as a backup pin. This pin will let you restore your backed up chat history to another device. Pick a pin that will be easy to remember. So you put in the 6-digit pin. And once you through, you confirm the pin and you tap on send. And from there, follow the prompt. Oh, don't forget, after putting in the pin, you're going to have to select the Google account to save your backup to. So you have to give it access to your contact. After choosing the account, give it a few seconds to load. Okay, here it is. After reading all through this, then you tap on continue, and then that's it. So you want to start backup, simply tap on start backup. And that's all it takes to backup line chat history on line app.